Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to walk through how to get to travel history from US Custom and Border Protection official website. This is also called I-94 website. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, this video I'm going to show you in the form of screenshots just to protect some confidential information. So I-94 website I have opened here in this first screen as you see here. Now when you scroll down on the same page, you see I have marked it view travel history. You have to click on that. Then you will get into traveler information, first name, last name, date of birth, or document country of issuance and document number. So in most of the cases, this is going to be your passport number and this is going to be country that has issued your passport. And then you will get the travel history result. Your document number will appear here on next to this document number that I have removed for privacy. And again, country of issuance. Then it will show the date, type, location, how and where you entered. Okay. And in the same way, if you want to get the most recent I-94, you can see on right hand side you have this option of clicking this button. So for I-94 I'll make another video, so I won't go much into this, but you can get it from here also. You can press this button and it's going to open. If you want to print it, you can print, and if you want to request any change, you can make a change here, request for it. Okay, of course that will have its own process, so I'm not going to go cover that in this video, but this is how it works. So let me know what you think about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.